It's been a big day. You set up a tent, played hard, and kept track of the kids. Now, our camp kitchen is here to help you make killer grub for the whole crew without killing the cargo space in your Subaru. This complete camp cooking and eating kit is built for 4 and joins together Kelty's durable 304 grade stainless steel pot, pan, and silverware, with preserves everyday bowls and plates which are made from 100% recycled materials. The 6.5 quart pot comes with lid and oversized handles for easy carrying, even with gloves on. The frying pan with lid features sturdy, interlocking silicone handles, giving you something substantial to hold onto as you fry up breakfast for your crew. And we're not messing around with the silverware. These stainless steel sets feature knives that will actually cut through steak for that camper with the most discerning of tastes. The 4 color-coded plates and bowls mean each member of the family has their own set for the duration of the trip. As an added bonus, this whole kit is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning when you get home. All of the stainless items impressively stashed inside the camp pot, and these come with mesh storage bags, meaning the camp kitchen stores small and works smart, so you can eat big in the great outdoors.